pay with Apple Pay on Walmart app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay with your Apple Pay in your Walmart app. So first of all, you need to open your Walmart app, or you can also follow these steps in your web browser or in the Walmart's official website as I'm showing you right here. So first of all, you need to log into your account, and once you are logged in into your account, you need to scroll down and select the kind of product that you would want to purchase. For example, I would want to purchase this particular t-shirt right here, and just click on options, and there you have to select the color and size of the t-shirt that you would want to purchase. For example, I want to purchase this particular color in this size, and after that just put that product into your cart. Just click on add to cart, and once it is added into your cart, you just need to go to your cart, and once you click on proceed to checkout, you need to fill in the details like your shipping address and other details, and then the payment method will open up. So in the payment section, you won't be able to see the option called Apple Pay, because Apple Pay is not accepted at Walmart directly. But you can use it to pay at Walmart self-checkout by adding your Apple Card to the Walmart app and using Walmart Pay, because Walmart is building their own payment gateway called Walmart Pay. So that is why they don't have the option called Apple Pay in the payment method when you click on checkout. So the purpose of this video to inform you with the authentic information to the problems that you are looking for, and not to misguide you. Since Walmart doesn't accept Apple Pay payment directly in their account, you need to choose some other payment option like your credit or debit card, but you won't be able to pay through your Apple Pay as of now. So I hope I'm able to answer your question whether you will be able to pay with your Apple Pay in your Walmart app or not. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.